Hi there, students. Bulbous, bulbous as an adjective, particularly with the collocation a bulbous nose. So bulbous means thick and round in shape, rounded, like a bulb. So a bulb, a light bulb is bulbous, or an onion is bulbous, or there are various plants that are bulbous. They have plants, various bulbous plants like tulips or daffodils or other bulbous plants. So bulbous is something that is big and round, particularly a bulbous nose. You've seen people with a bulbous nose. It's red and rounded and quite enlarged. Let's see. I had an accident and I really hurt my hand, and my hand looked bulbous for several days. Okay, he had bulbous calf muscles, big thick calf muscles. So bulbous is rounded. It's fat and maybe it's rather ugly. A bulbous purple nose. Yeah, well, I'm lucky I don't have a bulbous purple nose. So rounded, swollen, bulbous. Some ships have a bulbous bow. The bow is the back. It's big rounded bow, which makes the boat more stable. A bulbous head, a big round head. Yeah, I remember my friend who had a huge bulbous head. He went into a gentleman's outfitter and said, "Are you going to have a hat for me?" And the guy says, "We've never failed to fit somebody with a hat." And eventually they had to make one specially for him. So bulbous, something resembling a bulb. It's something that's round. It's bulbously round. Yeah, it's fat and round, normally from either a plant or from somebody's nose, something that is bulbous. It's fat and rounded, but particularly talking about somebody's nose. I guess the stick had a bulbous end. Swollen and bulging is the idea. Okay, so formality, bulbous. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Something bloated. I guess a bulbous person, rotund, overweight, rather fat. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, bulbosus. Something that has bulbs. This is talking about biology and plants. So bulbous, onions are bulbous. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bulbous.